Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit your controls whenever you're sharing content or sharing your screen on the Webex app in a meeting. So on the upper left-hand corner, you will go to your profile and go to settings. You'll press sharing content, and this is where your settings for sharing your screen during a meeting will be. So you can edit the resolution and the frame rate of how you would want your content to be seen in a meeting. You can have it automatically adjusted, or if you're mostly sharing text and images, you could pick this, or you also have the option if you're usually sharing videos as well. You can also have options to include or remove your computer sound whenever you are sharing your screen or having you be shown in front whenever you share a screen. You can show or hide your WebEx app whenever you share your content on a meeting. And if you're showing an application, you could have it customized to whether you're only showing one individual window or all of the windows of that application open. So when you share your screen, the videos of all the participants will be shown in a floating window or it will be disabled, depending on your preferences. When you click Advanced Settings, you can just go back to classic screen sharing, basically just share your screen and have the app automatically adjust your preferences, your resolution, and your frame rate. And you can also limit your content sharing to 15 frames per second as well. And once you're happy with all of your changes, you could just press save and you're ready to share your content during a meeting.